What's up, YouTube? I'm here at Old Glory Harley-Davidson in Laurel, Maryland, and this is the new 2025 Harley-Davidson Pan America ST. It's got the 1250 Evolution Max engine with the 149 horsepower that everybody's been talking about. And as you can see, it's got those wheels on there that are like the sports wheels. And this is a color that's a little bit different. It is the brilliant red color. And right here you see like this little red spark plug wires to match, things like that, small details. So but so it does have the adaptive ride height, and I can kind of see, like, some people say they can flat foot it. I don't think I can unless the bike is on and the adaptive ride height comes on. So what's different? Right here, you can see that it doesn't have, well, different from the CVO version of it. The CVO version has a skid plate, and all the other models have where the exhaust is a lot heavier because it has this big bulky box right there. So a lot of weight reduction features on this thing. It doesn't have like a lot of the bars and all the different things that the other models have, as far as like protection bars and all that stuff, and smaller wheels, sportier tires. And so it's just made for pretty much the road. The windshield is even like smaller, and no hand guards, same mirrors. And let me see, does this have heated grips? The heated grip function is on the screen. So but anyway, I'm pretty sure, like, with all the features and stuff. So Cycle Fanatics, he's already purchased his, and he has a saddleman seat with the tuck and roll. Check out his channel for all the different stuff that he's done to his, and tuck and roll seat he's added on. I know he mentioned removing this bar back here for a different type of look. So, but for me, I'm more of a Pan America CVO full, you know, dressed up Pan America. So I'm gonna take you back here where the bike is that I'm looking at, so I can show you what I'm talking about. And you guys, if you're Harley fans, you already know what the CVO looks like, the non-ST model. It's back there. There it is. So the difference, like I was saying, is, so this comes with everything. It's got all the engine guards and bars and stuff on there. It's got the skid plate that I would put the skid plate on all models if you get this bike. But those fog lights I put on my other model, pretty expensive, and this is an expensive paint scheme. And those panniers or boxes in the back, those are expensive too. These pretty much all have the same type of exhaust. That's that big bulky heavy box that I was talking about. And so one option that you could do is you could buy the Screaming Eagle exhaust for these, and just buying that and changing it out makes a big weight difference. But with this 1250 Revolution Max engine at 150 horsepower for this model, it is not going to be a noticeable difference in weight reduction. So you're not all out racing anybody all the time on these bikes either. So I didn't always ride with the boxes on mine. I would take them off. Just depends on where you're going, what you're doing. But I do want to take some off-road rides, and I do want to do some adventure riding. And so that's why I'm deciding to go with an adventure bike. I love my last one, and I miss it. So you can get like the different options for different companies now that are making the heated seats and stuff like that. But these definitely do have the heated grips on there. And they come with the lace wheels versus the cast wheels and stuff like that. So a lot lighter, easier to replace the spokes than it is if you break a cast wheel. So these are marked with the 25th anniversary edition badging if you get the 2024. So I do like that feature over the 2025 versus 2024. The 2024s do have the 25th anniversary badging. And the paint scheme on this is pretty cool because it's got like a lot of flakes and stuff in there, stuff that'll pop in the sunlight. So, yep, this is the one that I would roll with. This is the one that I am rolling with. And this is the one that will be in the garage at some point, or one from another store. but I am going for the 2024 Harley-Davidson Pan America CVO. So the only thing that I hate about buying a new bike at the dealership is the waiting game. So, you know, you just sit around and just, I guess, stare at the bikes. I don't know. Sometimes I guess they make you wait. You could change your mind on what type of bike you want to buy and get something different. But I'm out of choices at this point. I think I pretty much almost had everything. So I'm sitting here waiting, looking at this ChrisGlides 3. And I did have that same exact one, same black on black, and did some customizing to it, and I like it. And over there, they have the Poison Berry CVO, and I'm not gonna get another CVO ChrisGlides and change the paint scheme on that thing. Or not the paint scheme, but customize it, because I already did it, and that would be boring content. So I gotta find something else to customize. I gotta get new content. I gotta find another bike with something that's going to interest you or whatever. So I'm going to be outside the box. I'm going to go with the Pan America. So that's how I'm rolling. But anyway, thank you guys for watching another episode of ChrisGlides. I'll see you guys next time, hopefully with that thing in the garage. All right, guys. Peace out.